In this short video tutorial, you'll learn a simple way to freeze cells in Excel. You can freeze rows to always keep the table header visible while scrolling down your worksheet, and we'll also see how to freeze columns so the first column and first row stays fixed while you move across the data in your table. Here we go. Freezing rows and columns in Excel is an incredibly useful feature, especially when working with large amounts of data. Here's an example. Suppose you're using a spreadsheet like this one. When you scroll down, you might notice that the header, in this case the months, disappears. And if you scroll to the right, the first column on the left, that's name of the products, go out of view too. For instance, now we can't see the names of the product anymore. That makes it easy to lose track of information you're viewing. That's why Excel gives us the option to freeze rows and columns. Let's see how to freeze the sections. First, click the cell that marks where the freeze should begin. In this case, it's the first row and the first column in our table. So, we'll click on cell B2. Everything above and to the left of this cell will stay frozen. Once you've selected the cell, click the View tab. Then go to the window group and choose Freeze Panes. If you only want to freeze the top row or just the first column, you can pick one of the other options, freeze top row or freeze first column. But since we want to freeze both rows and columns, we'll go for the first option, Freeze Panes. Great! The row with months and the column with names stay visible now. Even when I scroll further down or to the right, those parts remain on screen, which makes reading and analyzing data much easier. To undo this, go back to the View tab and click Unfreeze Panes. This removes the setting and unlocks everything, so rows and columns move normally again. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more simple Excel tutorials. Learn more tips and tricks to use Excel quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.